Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about how to pay Netflix without credit or debit card. So if you don't have a credit or debit card, this is a step-by-step guide for you to pay onto Netflix. So let's start first onto creating an account. So you'll just go to the netflix.com official website, or you can download the app for this. Right after, just simply click on to get started right after putting in your email, and then right after we need to finish setting up the account first. So just simply click on to next. So just type in your email and password and then click on to next, and then right after just choose the plan. So click on to next and you should be able to see the different plan and the different offers that it gives. So you'll just have to choose which one is right for you. So for example, if you want to go for this mobile, just simply click onto that one and then just simply click onto next. So this part is already the paying part. So you need to choose how to pay. So we have here the credit or debit card. So if you don't have any of those, there are actually different options such as digital wallet or add to mobile bill. So you'll just need to choose onto which one onto this if you don't have the credit or debit card. So for example, if you want to opt for digital wallet, then you'll have to click onto that, and then right after just set up your digital wallet in here or Gcash. So type in your number and then click on agree and then start membership, or you could do the same thing for the other payment method, which is mobile bill. Click onto that one and then right after type in your number and then click onto agree and then verify it and then just continue the payment. And that's just basically it onto paying Netflix without credit or debit card. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.